video we will see how to enable UPnP on a T-Mobile 5G gateway, gaming, NAT and port forwarding tips. If you are trying to improve your gaming NAT type on a T-Mobile 5G home internet gateway, it's important to know that you cannot manually enable UPnP on current T-Mobile 5G gateways. T-Mobile have removed advanced router features such as UPnP, manual port forwarding, NAT settings, bridge mode and static IP configuration from its gateway software. Alternative solution for gaming on T-Mobile 5G. Use native IPv6 support. Many modern games, including Call of Duty and Apex Legends, support IPv6. Since T-Mobile network also uses IPv6, this can help improve your NAT type. Step 1. Connect your phone or PC or gaming console to the T-Mobile 5G gateway using an Ethernet cable. Then open your device network setting. Make sure IPv6 is turned on. Restart your console or PC, then launch your game and check the NAT type. Note, if your game supports IPv6, it may bypass IPv4, CGNAT and automatically show a more option NAT type, resulting in a smoother online gaming experience. Thanks for watching.